Have you ever wondered what happens when a fungus decides to play a real-life video game with an ant as its main character? Well, hold on to your seats, because today we're diving into the bizarre and slightly terrifying world of Cordyceps, the fungus that turns ants into actual zombies. So, picture this. An innocent little ant is just minding its own business, maybe carrying a leaf, probably thinking about ant stuff. Suddenly, a microscopic spore from the Cordyceps fungus lands on it. This isn't just any dust bunny. This is the start of a hostile takeover. Phase 1. The invasion. The spore drills through the ant's tough exoskeleton and starts to multiply inside. It's like throwing a wild party inside someone's house without them knowing. The fungus begins to spread its mycelia, these tiny thread-like structures throughout the ant's body, but it cleverly avoids the brain at first. Why? Because it needs the host alive and kicking for the next part of its evil plan. Phase 2. Mind control. After about a week, the fungus has taken over almost the entire ant. It's now a puppet master, controlling the ant's muscles and central nervous system. The ant stops acting like an ant. It leaves its colony, abandons its friends and family, and starts wandering around aimlessly. It's officially a zombie, a puppet on a fungal string. Its ant brain is still in there, trapped in a body it can no longer control. Creepy, right? Phase 3. The death climb. Now for the grand finale. The fungus forces the ant to do something completely unnatural. It makes it climb. The ant will find a plant stem or the underside of a leaf, ushuayi about 25 centimeters off the ground. This specific height is no accident. It's the perfect spot for the fungus to spread its spores far and wide. Once it reaches the designated spot, the fungus delivers its final command. The ant bites down onto the leaf or stem with a grip so strong it's called a death grip. It can't let go, even after it dies. Phase 4. The eruption. With the ant locked in its final position, the fungus consumes what's left of its insides, including the brain. Then, the most shocking part happens. A fruiting body, a stalk-like mushroom, starts to grow out of the back of the ant's head. It literally explodes from its skull, reaching for the sky. This stalk will then release a fresh batch of spores, which rain down onto the forest floor below, ready to infect the next unsuspecting ant that wanders by. And just like that, the cycle of zombie ant apocalypse begins all over again. It's a brutal, yet brilliant, survival strategy. The Cordyceps fungus has perfected the art of turning a living creature into its own personal nursery and launchpad. While it sounds like something straight out of a horror movie, it's a very real and fascinating part of our natural world. Just be glad this particular type of Cordyceps only targets ants. For now, thanks for joining me on this wild journey into the world of zombie ants. If you found this as mind-blowing as I did, hit that like button and subscribe for more weird science. See you next time.